In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do advanced accounting with Freshbooks. We'll walk through how to turn on the advanced features, customize your accounting setup, and make the most of the tools that are designed for more complex bookkeeping. By the end, you'll be more confident using Freshbooks for things like journal entries, detailed reporting, and collaborating with your accountant. First, let's enable advanced accounting. Open Freshbooks and look for the Settings option, usually located near the top of your screen. Once you're in Settings, find the section called Advanced Preferences. Under that, click on Accounting. Here, you'll see a toggle for Advanced Accounting. Switch this toggle to On. If you don't see the option, it may be because your subscription plan doesn't support it. Advanced Accounting is typically available on higher tier plans like Plus, Premium, or Select, so double-check your current plan and upgrade if you need to. Once Advanced Accounting is turned on, you can start customizing your chart of accounts. This is the backbone of your bookkeeping because it controls how all your income, expenses, assets, liabilities, and equity are categorized. With Advanced Accounting enabled, you aren't stuck with the default list. You can add new accounts or edit existing ones to better reflect your business. For example, you might create separate accounts for different types of loans, specific pieces of equipment, or unique income streams. The goal is to create categories that make your financial reports clear and meaningful for your specific operations. Next, you can create manual journal entries. These are useful for recording transactions that Freshbooks doesn't automatically capture, such as adjustments, accruals, or corrections. With Advanced Accounting turned on, you'll see an option to create these journal entries. If you're an existing user and not part of a beta release, you'll need to have the accountant role to access this feature. If you're unsure about debits and credits, consider working with a professional because journal entries affect your core financial statements. Finally, make sure you're taking advantage of the other advanced features. Use accounts payable to track your vendor bills in one place, so you always know what you owe and when it's due. Turn on automated bank reconciliation by connecting your bank account, which helps match your bank transactions with those in Freshbooks automatically, saving you time and reducing errors. And don't forget, you can collaborate with your accountant by inviting them into your account so they can help manage your journal entries and your chart of accounts directly. That's how you set up and use advanced accounting in Freshbooks to create a more powerful and accurate bookkeeping system for your business.